So there is a problem when we use a text and the number separation or extract using the field flash fill. So when we use the flash fill, there will be some error. For example, let's see in this way. So here, as you can see here, I did the flash fill, and then there is an error here. So this particular thing is not being separated properly. So all others are good, but this thing is not separated properly. So what we can do is, so first of all, we will select which one is not separated properly. We will select only this cell. So let us say Control C. Let us keep this one in the new file, and then we will go. Let's clear this one first. So now we will insert a new cell here because we have already copied the cell that we wanted to copy here. So this one, the cell with the problem, we already have this, and we will, and then we will paste it here. So this is the cell that we has encountered the problem. So now what we can do here is very simple. Clear this one. So guys, remember this is the particular word that we have problem. So the word or the sentence or any sentence that is giving encountering the problem, we will put it in the first place. So now let us write 2060 here in the first cell, and then we will go to the fill and then flash fill. So now you can see there is no problem at all because we have put the problematic ones in the first cell. So in the same way, we will put it here. Let us copy this one, paste it here, and then we will just need it to remove the number. And then we will click on this, we will go to fill, flash fill. So as you can see here, we have no issue at all. Everything is completely accurate.